I want to keep you updated on my road to managing a $100 million fund. Currently, I'm managing 9.2 million of family capital, and I intend to keep it within as a family capital fund. It makes it much more easier to deal with my family members, of course, but overall just much nicer because it's people you know. So this month, January, I'm up 1.15% or around $82,000 on the fund. And again, this is just my account, and the fund is a family fund, so it's not my money that I'm referring to as $9.2 million. All right, at the end of the year, I hope to be up close to 11.3, will be great. But I just closed one position, which is a crude oil short put. I want to go over the position and kind of explain exactly what I did. Hopefully you guys find it helpful. So this is the position. I opened it on January 19th, 58 days to expiration, short strike at 50. This is my fill price. This is my profit target, which is a bit more than 50% profit. And my position defense is to roll out and down the position if it's getting some heat. For this position, I opened 4 contracts per every $100,000. So I would be able to kind of wheel it, or not wheel it, to roll it probably multiple times because the position size is so small. At the same time, for the technical, the price has been moving within a pretty big side trend. The CVOL, which is the commodity volatility index, was relatively high. And basically, if price goes down, volatility is expected to crash as well, because commodities like crude oil, they crash upwards. Now, for the fundamentals, we had geopolitical tensions are bullish for crude oil, and there is an oversupply narrative being told since September of 2025. However, the price price moved sideways overall, so it didn't really go down, even though there's a narrative of an oversupply. So I ended up closing the position after 11 days for a full 50% profit target, which is much quicker than the 14 days that I expected. So this is what it looks like on the graph, I guess, enlarged. I opened it right on January 20th when the price was a bit lower over here. It took a little bit of time to get filled, but it was okay. And obviously it closed it right up here, and the position should have been closed the way before, but at the same time volatility went up so much, which kind of negates the profit that I'm getting from Delta. But this was my short strike, so it wasn't too bad of a position. And if you look at volatility, just so you know exactly what I was looking at while making my decision to enter the position, and I always look at the 1 year over here, and then 3 months over here, and then I shut off the underlying. So I opened it on the 20th, which was right here. So volatility was relatively high for the past, for the past 3 months, which is the periods I'm looking at, and it ended up obviously going way higher. So we might have another opportunity soon, especially given that all the metals kind of completely crashed down today, and this is a Friday that I'm making the video. Natural gas actually went up. I opened up a demo position to try on it, which I will also give an update very soon about what's going on with it. And also I did the same thing for wheat. Again, these are demo positions, the wheat and the natural gas one. So we'll see what's going to happen. For now, natural gas or crude oil is still pretty high up there. But if we have some big pull or pullback, maybe it will be a good situation to enter. We'll see. Things are pretty crazy as they are in the markets. So we'll have to take it day by day and make the best possible decision. So hopefully this video was useful. This is just an account update. And if you want to join my private Discord, just email me. My email address is in the description below. And again, hopefully we will be making some good money this year. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one.